Another day, another English lesson. Superlative noun phrases, a helpful sentence pattern. In English, we often want to say that something is the best or the most something in a certain place. For example, we might want to talk about the tallest building in a city or the best student in a class. To do that, we can use this structure: subject plus verb plus superlative adjective plus noun plus, in the plus place. Before we look at full examples, let's review how to form superlative adjectives. How to form the superlative. Superlatives are adjectives that show something is at the top, the best, the biggest, the most expensive, etc. Here are the basic rules. 1. One-syllable adjectives. Add the and est. Tall, the tallest; fast, the fastest; cold, the coldest. 2. Adjectives ending in y. Change y to I, then add the and est. Happy, the happiest; busy, the busiest. 3. Longer adjectives, 2 or more syllables. Use the most plus adjective, important, the most important; expensive, the most expensive; comfortable, the most comfortable. The full sentence pattern. Now that we know how to form superlatives, let's return to the full sentence structure. Subject plus verb plus superlative adjective plus noun plus, in the plus place. This pattern helps you compare something to a group or location. Examples: she is the best player in the college. That was the most exciting movie in the festival. He is the tallest student in the class. We stayed at the most expensive hotel in the area. This is the oldest tree in the park. In the structure subject plus verb plus superlative adjective plus noun plus, in the plus place, we start with the subject, she, that, he, we, this. Then the verb, is, was, stayed at, is. Then the superlative adjective plus noun, the best player, the most exciting movie, the tallest student. And finally, in the plus the place, in the town, in the class, in the park. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the pattern subject plus verb plus superlative adjective plus noun plus, in the plus place. Use the adjective, noun, and place in parentheses. One. The chef cooked the spiciest soup in the restaurant. 2. She is the fastest runner in the school. 3. He took the most beautiful photo in the contest. 4. This is the biggest apple in the basket. 5. The children chose the funniest movie in the collection. 6. You are the best student in the group. 7. That is the oldest building in the town. 8. She has the nicest smile in the office. 9. They are the loudest singers in the choir. 10. It is the most comfortable chair in the room. 11. This dog is the friendliest animal in the shelter. 12. He is the tallest boy in the class. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT videos. See you soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.